Wow, so many toys. Wow, beautiful toys. So many truck lorries. Wow, amazing toys, guys. Amazing toys. Wow, wonderful. Wow, wow, it's a truck lorry. It's yellow and red color truck lorry. Wow, amazing, guys. Amazing. Wow, this truck lorry is amazing. Wow, this has 6 wheels. Wow, green color 6 wheels. Wow, amazing, guys. Amazing. Wow. Wow, it's a red color oil tanker. Wow, amazing, guys. See, the tanker is in white color. Wow. See, the are in black color. Wow, amazing, guys. Wow, this is beautiful toy. Wow, amazing. Wow, it's a red color container truck. Wow, this is big truck. Wow, amazing, guys. See, this total truck is in red color. Wow, amazing. Wow, guys, amazing. Wow, it's a cleanup city lorry. Wow, it's a cleanup city lorry. Wow, amazing. It's in green color. See, the back door is opening. Wow, amazing. Wow, this is also a yellow color oil tanker. Wow, amazing, guys. This oil tanker is amazing. Wow, this is in yellow color. See, this has big wheels. Wow, it's a cement concrete mixer. Wow. Wow, it's a cement concrete mixer. Amazing, guys. This toy is. Wow, it's a mini truck lorry. Amazing, guys. See, this is a small truck lorry. See, the wheels are so big. Wow, it's a black color oil tanker. Wow, it's a oil transport vehicle. Wow, amazing, guys. Amazing. This oil transport vehicle. Wow, it's a white color container truck lorry. Wow, it's a white color container lorry. Wow, amazing, guys. Wow. Wow, it's a big oil tanker, guys. See, guys, the oil tanker is too big. It is in red color. Wow, amazing, guys. See, this has also 6 wheels. Wow. Wow, it's a old color truck lorry. It carries vegetables, fruits lorry. Wow, this is big vehicle, guys. Big vehicle.